Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are new to the channel, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. So guys, let's give these people a standing ovation. Come on. So if you're a student and want to make some extra cash in the UK, this video is definitely for you. In fact, this is not only for students, this is gonna apply to anybody that is living in the UK. So I'm about to share some 10 basic side hustle ideas that's gonna blow your mind away. I'll be right back. So without wasting too much time, let's get straight into the video. Number one on my list is Gumtree is a free classified ads in the UK where you can buy and sell anything right here in the UK. So this is equivalent to Gigi or OLX for most of us that are from Nigeria. So the moment I arrived in the UK, I bought this iPhone on this site, and I also bought this drone. Let me show you. Yeah, so I also bought this drone on this site. So this is how to make money on this site. First of all, you find a product that you would like to trade, you bid down the price of that product, and you go back to the site and put that product again for sale. So let me use this drone for example. So the drone was £30 on the site. So at the end of the day, I bought it at £25. So I went outside to test the drone after buying it. I did not really like it, so I went back and advertised the drone on the site for £30. It wasn't even up to 2 weeks, a 20-year-old boy called me, and that is how I sold it for £30. So automatically I made £5 out of it. So that is how you make money on this site. First of all, you find a product, you bid down the price, you buy it, and you go back to the site and put it. Boom! So Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. So this is a site that you can showcase your talent. So anything you know how to do and you know you can do it perfectly well, you just need to have a page on Fiverr. So the company provides a platform for freelancers to offer their services worldwide. Wherever you are, you can get customers, you can get clients, you can work for anybody in the world. So how do you make money on Fiverr? So what you do is to create a page and display some of your works. It can be ebooks or reports that you have written. You can create some digital drawings. So you can showcase your video editing skills, your animation, virtual assistants, website and graphic creation. It can be programming, data analysis. There are a lot of skills on this site. So Airbnb is another online marketplace that lets people rent their properties or rooms to guests. So the company takes like 3% from every booking, and they take between 6 to 12% from guests. So there are two ways you can make money with Airbnb. Number one is to offer yourself as a tourist guide, and number two is to rent out your rooms. So if you are staying in a rented apartment per se, you can rent out your room for guests that are coming into that city, and you can just maybe go to your friend's house and spend the night or the weekend, depending on how long your clients want to stay in your room. You can also offer yourself as a tourist guide. You take people around your city. You can probably rent a car and take them around, and at the end of the day you charge them for the work that you have done. It might not only be your room, you can also source out with local accommodation owners in your city. You negotiate these deals with them and take your client to wherever the property is located. So as a leasing agent, you work with the property owners and you help ease the pain of the complex property market. So what you do here is to find people and businesses that are looking for property, space or a land to buy or rent. You negotiate the price with them. You negotiate their wants for the property, and you try to understand the economic and financial value. Then you can go back to the property owner and you negotiate the terms with them. So for instance, as a student, you can help find a student apartment in your city. You negotiate with the owners and you assist students to move into those properties. At the end of the day, you get your commission. Digital marketing is another one that I love so much. So I love anything that has to do with computer and technology. So what you do here is to help drive brand awareness through their digital channels like social media. So you can create advertisement for some of these local brands. It can be Facebook advertisement, Instagram, Twitter. You can even take them to the popular and trending social media like TikTok, where a lot of people are currently using now. You can do SEO, search engine optimization, email marketing, video marketing, content marketing, podcast marketing. You can design and optimize their website, run a survey, send it out to people, and at the end of the day, you analyze the result and present to them the new trends and patterns of running their business. So here you can design and sell your t-shirt online 100%. So what you do here is to create your campaign page, design, and you can send the link to anyone to make a purchase. So at the end of the day, when the campaign ends, they will ship the product to buyers and send you your profits. I think this is what most of the YouTubers are doing. Sometimes you watch a video and you see a link where you can buy a t-shirt. So these companies are the guys that are helping to run all these stuff. So there are a lot of them. This one is Bonfire, another one is Spreadshirt, and there's another one that I love so much, and it's called Teespring. So I'll put a link to all these sites in the description box. Do well to check it out. So the next one on my list is Uber. Uber should be in almost all the countries in the world by now. So if you have a UK driving license and you know how to drive, you are good to go. So if you don't have a UK driving license, all you need to do is walk up to the nearest post office, get the form, you fill the form, and in 2 weeks your driving license should be delivered to your address. If you have a car, fine. If you don't have, maybe you can borrow a car from your friend. And another thing you need to know is to drive on the right hand. You understand the road, and as you already know, the UK uses the right hand to drive. So the moment you are conversant with all these things, you are good to go. So TaxRabbit is an American online company. It is also an online and a mobile marketplace that matches freelance laborers with local demand. It allows people and clients to find immediate help with everyday tasks. This can be cleaning, moving stuff, delivery, handyman work, errand, babysitter, garden work, painting, carpentry. There are a lot of them. So the way it works is to go on and register. You pick a task that you can do, something you know you can do very well. The next thing is that you get matched with a client, then you go and get the work done. Simple. The next on my list is Deliveroo. So when I got to London, these guys were everywhere. I was like wondering, who are these people on bike everywhere in the city? And I was curious to know what is happening here. So I went online and I checked Deliveroo, and boom, I just understand the whole idea of this business. So this is an online food delivery company based in London. They are very strong in European countries like Spain, France, Germany, Italy. They are even in United Arab Emirates. So they work with local restaurants and takeaways to deliver food to people. Recently, they started delivering beer and wines. It's just a breakout of food delivery. They work with over 400 restaurant chains, and clients can order for food 24 hours. So you need to register with these people, but you need a bicycle or a car to do this work perfectly. At least you have to be mobile. So you can work at any time you are free. So in London, I think they operate till 11 p.m. if not 24 hours. I'm not really sure. And finally, YouTube. This is the one I love so much, and it's part of my side hustle right here in the UK. So what you need is to create a YouTube channel and you start uploading your videos. You will need up to 1,000 subscribers and up to 4,000 public watch hours before you can start making money on YouTube. This is a mammoth task, right? So before starting a YouTube channel, you need to decide on what niche you want to target. If you want your YouTube journey to be successful, it's crucial to clearly decide from the start what is the purpose of your channel. The list of best YouTube niche ideas for beginners may include food, travel, technology, finance, fashion, motivational, gaming, and a lot more. So you just need to find a good niche that can balance your creativity and your target audience. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe and send it to everyone.